Why are you looking at me like that? Have I done anything wrong?
Sandra, even as hard as you try to pretend and cover it up, it is very clear that you have been taking alcohol all day.
What is the meaning of this now? Eh? Why do you always think the worst of me?
You should be the one to tell me why you have changed. Sandra, if a shepherd like you can get involved in this level of sin and worldliness, what do you think the sheep would do?
With all due respect, you're beginning to judge me and I do not like it.
How have I judged you? Are you trying to say that it is right to take alcohol the way you do?
Well, what goes into a child of God does not defile him or her. It is what comes out that defiles the believer. The Bible is very clear and explicit on that.
And by your close relationship with this woman that I have told you to stop mingling with, can you look me in the eye with a word of faith and tell me that nothing defiling has been coming out of you since you got yourself involved in that unholy and ungodly fraternity?
Ungodly fraternity? What does that even mean?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.